Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to raise error in any programming language. Currently I am using Python programming language. To start with, I want to raise an error. I will just type my name. I will run the program. The output received is name error colon name Shushan. Just because I've entered my name, the output received is name error, which is very logical, right? So for some people, let me comment it out first. For some people, their names might be like pass. If I run this, no error is raised here because pass is a keyword in Python which literally means do nothing. So how do I raise an error here? Simply by typing my date of birth. Now if I run this program, I have raised a syntax error which is phenomenal. If you think this video added value to your life, consider subscribing my channel and please don't forget to drop a comment. It really motivates me to make this kind of videos. Thank you.